Hi, hello all. I am Soumya. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in SNS College of Technology. Now, my students from third year ADB are going to present a role play activity in the topic of types of charts in data visualization. Now, my students will draw all the types of charts and they will explain their importance.
Let me introduce about the charts, and I am going to explain the three charts. One is the bar chart, line chart and the scatter plot. Let me explain about bar chart. Bar chart is nothing but the values that are categorized over the data. And for example, if it is categorized as marks and also the student's score. Let me give a diagram visual representation. And here it shows the students, which is placed in the horizontal line, and the marks, which is in the vertical line. And here it shows the upper side values where the marks scored by the students from the grades. And this is very easy to calculate and analyze the student mark when we represent in the bar chart. Let me next explain about the line chart. Line chart is nothing but which shows according to the trend analysis, which changes to the season. Like let me predict a sales product which can analyze by this year we have reached a range, and the next year based on the season it reaches to the next range, and by using the seasonal plan of the product sales I will put the line chart. This shows a simple representation of how it increases from the bottom to the top. Then the scatter plot. Scatter plot is also same where the data are spread across the data sets. Like which also moves according to the trends, which also gives from the upper to the lower case, where it can gradually increase or gradually decrease, which also consists of a negative and a positive thing. I am going to explain about three charts: pie chart, donut chart and heat map. A pie chart defines the circular chart divided into a slice to shows the proportion of different categories. Let's see the example. It shows the three product sales percentage out of 100. Next we move to a donut chart. It's similar to a bar, similar to a pie chart. It shows the whole contribution at the center. Let's see a diagram. This is example. And next one is heat map. It uses the color intensity to show the magnitude of a data set and refers the variation between the across two dimensions. Let's see an example. R represents the green color, it refers the danger zone, and green represents the safe zone, and orange represents the low intensity, and red represents the high intensity of the safe data.
So at last we see stacked bar chart. The stacked bar chart is comparing the two variables and making a distribution composite values. So in stacked bar chart, we'll be having the range and the color differentiation to make understand the comparison also. Thank you.